Hi guys, and welcome back to Adventures in the Schoolhouse. We have another fun read aloud here, celebrating Native American History Month with this awesome book, the award-winning children's picture book, We Are Grateful by Tracy Sorrell and Franny Lissac. So here we go. I'm gonna jump in. Now, I'm gonna do my very best. We're gonna get to learn Cherokee words. All right, here we go. Cherokee people say, Ohali halega, hard word, Ohali halega, which means thank you, to express their gratitude. To express gratitude, it is a reminder to celebrate our blessings and reflect on struggles daily throughout the year and across the seasons. So here's our word, here's how you pronounce it, Ohali halega. And that's that word right here in Cherokee. It means we are grateful. When cool breezes blow and leaves fall, we say, here it is, Ohali halega. So the word fall, this is the word in Cherokee. I love that this book is written in English, but it infuses all this beautiful Cherokee for us so that we can learn these words of the Cherokee Indians. As shell shakers dance all night around the fire and burnt cedar scent drifts upward during the great new moon ceremony, as we clean our houses, wear new clothes, enjoy a feast, and forget old quarrels, we welcome the Cherokee New Year. While we collect buckbrush and honeysuckle to weave baskets and have hope as our Elisi, which is grandma, cradles the newest member of the family and reveals his Cherokee name. So Elisi is grandmother. That's the Cherokee word for grandmother. To remember our ancestors who suffered hardship and loss on the Trail of Tears. Gola means winter. As bear sleeps deep and snow blankets the ground, we say, ready? Osaliaga. While elders share stories and we savor buttery bean bread and steamy hominy soup, when we feed our animal and bird friends, as older children teach the younger ones how to make corn husk dolls and play cane flutes. So all of these fun crafts and games in Native American Indian culture. While we gather to remember an uncle who has passed on, as men cuddle babies and sing traditional lullabies in Salagi, which that's the language of the Cherokee people. So here, let's pronounce it together. Jalagi. Jalagi is the Cherokee's language. When showers fill streams and shoots spring up, we say, Osalihelaga. And we're learning the seasons. Down here, they have the seasons. Now it's spring, while men sing asking for thunder and lightning's protection of the emerging sprouts that women tend, as we practice patience to sew pucker toe moccasins and coil clay to build beautiful pots. They're quite the craftsmen. As we gather wild onions, spring first food, and serve them with hen eggs. As we plant Annie's strawberries and ancestral stories, sweet smelling reminder not to argue with each other. Annie and strawberries. As we embrace a clan relative heading off to serve our country. Goji is summer. As the crops mature and the sun scorches, we say, Otsalielaga. When we gasp our gigs and wade into the cool creek to catch crawdads for supper, as we sink our teeth into the season's first harvest at the green corn ceremony, while we click-clack sticks, chase a small ball, and fling it high at the stickball game pole, when we recall the ancestors' sacrifices to preserve our way of life, to celebrate Nolestanidal history and listen to our tribal leaders speak at Cherokee National Holiday. Every day, every season, Ostali agua. We are grateful. So here we got to learn a new language, some fun new words, and we got to learn this all about the seasons and different ceremonies and traditions and arts and crafts that they make. So this is a really rich book. I love the illustrations and so happy to share it with you today. So come join our adventure in the Little Red Schoolhouse, and we can't wait to see you next time.